it's me today, and today we're going to be doing a hip hop video with two special guests. And here goes one. Malaya, come on Malaya. Let them look at your face. Best friend. And Corey. Let them look at your face, brother. So today we're going to be doing a hip hop video. Going against both of each other. I'm going to be going against us. So I'm going to go first.
I don't really care about what they say.
Sorry for the...
Won't let their haters get their way. I'ma come back like a boomerang.
Comment down below who's the
Talking that
best.
talk, I'ma keep walking my walk, and I won't hear a sound. Yelling just trying to sleep, living in the best of me. Well, not this time around. Jump to the smoke and they all know. Hide behind the screen 'cause it's just so mean, but we don't play it like that. We don't even fight back. All of the words we just brush it off. Saying we're fake now, no we're not. Try and throw us off track, but we know how to come back. I don't really care about what they say. I'ma come back like a boomerang. Won't let the haters get their way. I'ma come back like a boomerang. I'ma come back like a boomerang. I'ma come back. Tryna make me stop, but I'ma come into the top. Just look how far I've come. Bigger, better, faster, stronger. Yes, see, I ain't just a talker. Catch me if you can. Catch us if you can. Jump to the phone and the all down. Hide behind the screen 'cause it's just so mean, but we don't play it like that. We don't even fight back. All of the words we just brush it off. Saying we're fake now, no we're not. Try and throw us off track, but we know how to come back. I don't really care about what they say. I'ma come back like a boomerang. Won't let the haters get their way. I'ma come back like. Try and throw us off track. What they say.
And yes, some procedures happen. So, this is what happened, guys. Where's my rubber band? So, during the video, something happened, and what happened was that Corey accidentally hit Corey in the head. She cracked my neck. Like I'm an old person, but I'm not. And this procedure was not supposed to go like this, and I don't know why.
And we thought it was gonna be
The
better.
bad thing is my ponytail fell out, and I do not like my hair out. So I'm gonna put it back in because I don't want it like this. I don't like my hair out.
Now, what's this one?
Yeah? No. It's too hot for that mess. Sorry, y'all.
Yeah, when I have my hair out, I be thinking there's a spider on me.
Yeah, you see what I mean?
So
I don't play with them,
we're
but.
gonna do girl.
So, guys, so I cracked my neck. I hit Corey in the head by accident when I was trying to turn around. My ponytail fell out, but I don't think she had any problems. I think the only thing is
She was dancing crazy.
she was dancing on the floor. No, like literally, she was dancing on the floor. When she fell on the floor, I don't know what she did. Something happened. She on the floor and she on her knees dancing. I was like, the heck? So if you have any bad questions,
Please subscribe.
When I meant to go dance on the floor, I didn't meant to do that. I meant to do a split.
well, they can't see you, so it's alright. Corey,
Yeah, it was kind of good. And get some comments and please like and subscribe.
so on some of my phone, my other phone, I seen that.
The phone broke. I don't know how. Cause it just started every
Because of
time.
you. So, on my comments it said, when are you going to do a house tutorial? When are you going to do this? Like, when are you going to do your room tutorial stuff? And I don't know when. And next time I'll probably get more people besides Corey and Malaya. I might have some new people like Casey or Nene or Jemiah or Sanaya. So
Or
Those-
Angela.
no, not Angela. So those people y'all might see, but most of the time y'all might just see Corey, Malaya, and yeah. So make sure you like this video. Do anything, I don't care. Please just don't write any black comments because this was actually stressful. I cracked my neck today, like I'm an old person, and I'm not old. I'm 10 years old.
And she hit my daggone head.
And she came up dancing, trying to do a split, but dancing on the floor at the same time. I don't know what she's doing. So, yeah.
She tried to cry.
And sometimes I'll just show y'all how I do my musicals. In my next video, that's what I'm going to do.
If you got musical, follow her.
Make sure you go follow me at my Musically.
If you got.
that_girl_musical.
And if you got Musically,
Follow her and follow me. But
Every day, so hella beautiful. Bye, guys.